Hello and welcome. Baniriza mu video yaffe eya leero. In this video we're going to look at the meals in the day. Meals in the day. Emmere gye tulya mu lunaku. Emmere gye tulya mu lunaku. Okay, let's look at the learning objectives. Ekigendererwa. Learning objectives. Ekigendererwa. In this video, we shall look at the names of the meals, amanya gemmere, time we have them, obudde bwe tugifuniramu, examples of sentences. Ebyokulabirako. Okay, let's start. What is a meal? What is a meal? A meal is a food we eat at a certain time of the day. A meal is a food we eat at a certain time of the day. Emmere gye tulya mu kaseera ak'enjawulo. Emmere gye tulya mu kaseera ak'enjawulo. In a day, we usually have 3 main meals. In a day, we usually have 3 main meals. Mu lunaku tulyamu emirundi esatu. Mu lunaku tulyamu emirundi esatu. We have breakfast, ekyenkya, lunch, ekyemisana, dinner, ekyeggulo. Once again, breakfast, ekyenkya, lunch, ekyemisana, dinner or supper, ekyeggulo. Dinner or supper, ekyeggulo. Note, at times we usually have snacks and tea during evening hours, and we refer to this as evening tea. Okay, let's look at each in detail. Breakfast. Ekyenkya. Breakfast. Ekyenkya. This is taken in the morning after we wake up. Once again, this is taken in the morning after we wake up. Tukirya ku makya nga twakazuukuka. Ekyenkya tukirya ku makya nga twakazuukuka. This gives us energy to start the day. This gives us energy to start the day. Ekyenkya kituwa amaanyi okutandika olunaku. Examples of foods we eat at breakfast include bread, omugaati, bread, omugaati, eggs, amagi, eggs, amagi, butter, butter, jam, jam, tea, chai, tea, chai, milk, amata, milk, amata, porridge, obuugi, porridge, obuugi. Examples of sentences. Ebyokulabirako. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Nze ndya omugaati n'amagi ku kyenkya. Nze ndya omugaati n'amagi ku kyenkya. She takes tea and eggs in the morning. She takes tea and eggs in the morning. Ye anywa chai n'amagi ku makya. Ye anywa chai n'amagi ku makya. Lunch, ekyemisana. Lunch, ekyemisana. It's taken at midday around 12 or 1 p.m. Once again, it's taken at midday around 12 or 1 p.m. Ekyemisana kiriibwa ku ssaawa 6 oba ku ssaawa 7. Ekyemisana kiriibwa ku ssaawa 6 oba ku 7. It keeps us strong during the day. It keeps us strong during the day. Ekyemisana kitukuuma nga tulina amaanyi mu lunaku. Ekyemisana kitukuuma nga tulina amaanyi mu lunaku. Examples of foods we eat at lunch include. Please note, different countries have different types of foods they eat at lunch. Examples include rice, omuceere. Rice, omuceere. Meat, ennyama. Meat, ennyama. Beans, ebijanjaalo. Beans, ebijanjaalo. Fish, ekyennyanja. Fish, ekyennyanja. Salads, salads. Vegetables, vegetables. Juice, juice. Soda, soda. Water, amazzi. Water, amazzi. Let's look at some sentences. Ebyokulabirako. We eat rice and beans for lunch. We eat rice and beans for lunch. Tulya omuceere n'ebijanjaalo ku kyemisana. Tulya omuceere n'ebijanjaalo ku kyemisana. He drinks water after taking food at lunchtime. He drinks water after taking food at lunchtime. Anywa amazzi ng'amaze okulya emmere ku kyemisana. Anywa amazzi ng'amaze okulya emmere ku kyemisana. Dinner or supper. Dinner or supper. Ekyeggulo. Ekyeggulo. Is taken in the evening, usually after 6 p.m. It's taken in the evening, usually after 6 p.m. It's the last meal of the day. It's the last meal of the day. Kyetusembayo okulya mu lunaku. Kyetusembayo okulya mu lunaku. Examples of foods include Irish potatoes, obumonde, fish, ekyennyanja, vegetables, bread, omugaati, tea, chai, juice, water, amazzi. Okay, let's have some examples of sentences. They eat chicken and rice for dinner. They eat chicken and rice for dinner. Balya enkoko n'omuceere ku kyeggulo. Balya enkoko n'omuceere ku kyeggulo. I drink water with my supper. I drink water with my supper. Nywa mazzi n'ekyeggulo. Nywa mazzi n'ekyeggulo. Examples of snacks include biscuits, cake, nuts, chips, and many others. Examples: she likes to eat biscuits in the evening. She likes to eat biscuits in the evening. Ye ayagala okulya biskuiti olw'eggulo. Ye ayagala okulya biskuiti olw'eggulo. Okay, let's have a summary of what we've studied today. In a day, we have 3 main meals. Mu lunaku tulyamu emirundi esatu. We have breakfast, ekyenkya, lunch, ekyemisana, dinner, ekyeggulo, and we also have some snacks between meals. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've learned something. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wait up.